Do you remember the Binghamton? I guess Sandy got to it. I tell you, no more. That's a shame. Boy, oh boy. Unbelievable. Gone. There's my building, still standing. All 5 sections. I tell you, look at that. Back in the day. I forgot what they called it. West Side Highway. Projects. Grand houses. Where my father worked. I don't know what building that is, but I do recognize Grant's Tomb. You can't miss that. Grant's Tomb. Nothing like it. New York skyline. And then the church, I'm trying to think of the name of the church now. Yeah. Beautiful. Then Columbia University all back off in here. Traffic's moving. New York skyline on a beautiful September day. Temperature about 70 degrees. Very little wind. That's the Chrysler building in the middle. Looks like the Chrysler building, yeah. Yeah. And there's the new World Trade Center. Tell you. Nothing will replace that old World Trade Center. Those 2 towers mean a lot to me and my kids. Wow. Jersey City, Hoboken. Nice, beautiful day. Yeah. Talk to y'all later.